Now, let's create the services section of our services page. Let's just copy this features section from our home page and paste it here on our page. Then let's duplicate this container and make this width to 50%. And this one to also 50%. Now, let's delete this text editor and this heading. Now let's copy this text Then let's add a bottom padding to this container. Let's set it first to 25 pixels on all sides. And on the bottom, maybe about 50 pixels. Or maybe 70 pixels. And also for this one, let's add a 25 pixels to all sides first. Then let's set the bottom to be 70 pixels. Now, let's left align this heading and copy this text and paste it here on our heading. Let's add a line break after the word do. Next, let's copy this text and paste it here. Let's left align this text. Now, let's identify what font is used here on this heading. And it's Inter, with 25 pixels of font size. Now, let's add a heading here. And delete this widget. Let's make this heading to H3. And let's make its font to Inter. And its font size to 20 pixels. Let's copy this text Let's change its color to something like that is close to black. And paste the text here on this heading. Let's add a line break after the word your. Let's change its color again. Let's make it darker. Now let's copy an icon list widget here from the home page. And paste it here inside the container. Then let's make the padding of this container to be 50 pixels on all sides. And we don't need the line break anymore. Let's just remove it from here. Then let's copy this text. Now, let's select the icon list widget, and let's delete some items. And paste it here in the icon list widget, and make the second item's text to drive more sales. Let's change this icon to this one. And also this one. Now, let's change the icon list's icon's color to blue. I'll copy it here. Then paste it here. Now, let's copy a button from here. Then paste it here. Let's change the button's text to read more. And I'll remove the initial border of this container. Next, I'll copy this whole container and paste it here. I'll delete this first and paste it here. I'll delete this widget and paste it here. I'll duplicate this container and duplicate it again. And I'll duplicate it once more. And I'll change this text to read more because I accidentally put read more instead of read more. I'll copy this text first. Then I'll change this to read more. And this one. This one. And this one. This one. And this one. Now, let's paste the text here. Let's copy this text and paste it here. Copy this text. Paste it here. Copy this text and paste it here. And this last text, let's copy it and let's paste it here. Now, let's view it on tablet mode. Maybe we can center align this. And this one. And all of our headings. Let's just center align it all. Another thing that we can do is to make this container's width to 50% to make it a 2-column layout on tablet mode. I'll just left align this container's contents to left and make this to 50%. Let's also change this container's width to 50%. I'll also align its contents to left. And I'll just repeat the process to the next 4 items. I'll just fast forward the video. Now, let's view it on mobile mode. Let's center align this heading and this text editor. And let's reduce the padding of the bottom of this container. I'll set it to 25 pixels on all sides, and also to this one. I'll center align this heading and left align this icon list widget. And I'll do it for the rest of the items. Then just open your navigator and rename this section to be Services section. See you on the next video.